Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking where the pain is and what makes it worse. This guides everything that follows. Once done, put on shoes, grab a foam roller and a light resistance band, and warm up for 5 to 7 minutes with walking and hip circles. Make sure to note pain intensity on a 0-10 scale so you can track change. Now perform 1 minute of gentle quad and hamstring activation to wake the muscles before targeted work. This reduces flare-ups and primes tissue for change. You foam roll the outer thigh for 30 to 60 seconds per side to release tight tissue that pulls on the knee. Do it slowly and breathe. Then set the band above your knees and perform clamshells for 2 sets of 12 to 15 reps to strengthen the hip abductors. This corrects mechanics that overload the knee. Once done, do side-lying leg raises, 2 sets of 10 to 12, lifting for 2 seconds and lowering slowly to reinforce control and protect the joint during daily movement. You finish with targeted stretching, 30 seconds each for the IT band, quads, and hamstrings, but back off if you feel sharp pain. Once completed, follow a progression plan. Repeat this routine 3 times per week and increase band resistance gradually every 2 weeks as tolerated to build durable support. Make sure to monitor for worsening signs. If you get sharp pain, new swelling, or loss of function, stop immediately, apply ice, and consult a clinician within 48 to 72 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.